And the recent dismissal of a murder case in Howard County is putting a spotlight on a major crisis in Indiana.
The state of Indiana just does not have enough prosecutors. Our 13 Investigates reporter Sierra Putman joins us now live in studio after looking into this a little bit more. Sierra.
And you know, according to the Indiana Prosecuting Attorneys Council, we need 40% more deputy prosecutors than we actually have. And now prosecutors warn the staffing crisis is putting the public, you and your loved ones, at risk. In 2006, 20-year-old Chad Rouse was shot and killed. Prosecutors charged Kevin Maddox with murder, only to file to dismiss the case last week, a day before trial. A letdown for the family.
Not at all, it's not fair. No, we waited all these years.
The Howard County prosecutor told the court the office was overburdened by last-minute motions by the defense and an ongoing staffing crisis. Staffing is a statewide issue. The Indiana Prosecuting Attorneys Council says we need 440 more deputy prosecutors. Some counties, like Howard, report having half the staff needed. Hancock County Prosecutor Brent Eaton says his team has 9 prosecutors, but needs 12.
Are there cases you can't take on because you don't have those 3 people?
We do a lot of overtime.
Last year, his team racked up 2,300 hours in overtime. 1,700 of those were unpaid.
People just dig in and do the extra work. They do the extra work because they care about this community, they care about public safety.
Prosecutors report they're overworked and say the state is at a tipping point. There's a shortage of attorneys. Plus, there's not enough money to fill roles and pay competitive salaries. Bill Hartley is the former chairman of the council.
Do you think that there are some criminals that are not being tried because of the shortage in our state?
Well, I mean, again, you saw the example in Howard County, and I wouldn't be surprised if that is an issue for other prosecutors throughout the state.
So what's the solution?
Truly, it's about the money.
This year, lawmakers almost passed a law to allocate more state funding to the issue. But at the last minute, the money was taken out of the state's 2-year budget.
In my opinion, the General Assembly really missed it this time.
You know, great law enforcement does great work, but if it's not supported by great prosecutors, your public safety is going nowhere.
And when cases like Chad's murder aren't tried, families are left waiting.
It was like reliving that day all over again that he passed away. So it was sadness all over again.
The silver lining in that Howard County case is that prosecutors can refile at a later date. But right now, the key murder suspect is back in the community because of this decision. Again, made in part because of staffing.